The 2017 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, Bose sound system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.